Hi everybody, this is going to be our daily agenda for Tuesday, April 13th. Ooh, almost slipped there. Alright, so for today, reminder today's evens, and make sure to have those cameras on. So for today, we are kind of really wrapping up our interviews. Yesterday, you guys got a chance to work on your biographies, which are going to be due this Sunday, and today you're going to be working on your final reflection, which will also be due on Sunday. So your final reflection, it's located in Google Classroom. This is what it looks like, and let me show you guys a little bit more. So your post-project reflection, you guys have completed your project. I want you guys to take some time to really reflect on this experience. So you're going to be answering the following questions and complete them on slide 2. So not here, on slide 2. And then you guys are going to create a video of yourself answering these questions out loud and upload your video into the final project template. And I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a second. So the questions we're going to focus on are why is it important to record oral histories? Which we kind of talked about in class too, actually. What did you find rewarding about this project? What struggles or obstacles did you have with this project? I know some of you had a hard time even getting your interviewee to come in, so maybe that could have been your struggle or your obstacle. How did you overcome these struggles or obstacles? Did you guys FaceTime? Did you guys plan a day? How did you do it? And what did you learn from this process? What did you learn from these interviews? So just kind of want to hear a little bit more about it. This is where you will actually write down your questions, all right? And let me show you guys where you're going to find that. It's going to be here under Semester 2, GATE Showcase, of course. It's the same instructions as I showed you guys. So that's where you guys will access it, click it, and then of course turn it in. You guys will also have time, if you haven't finished your biography, to wrap that up today as well. I can see only 4 of this class only turned them in, so they would continue to work on it. So same with both classes, you guys are just going to have those 2 big ones to really work on today. As always, if you guys have any questions or need more information, you have me, Ms. Arroyo, Ms. Reyes, and our tutoring office or our office hours to come and see us. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.